Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've ever dreamed of having that flawless, glowing Korean glass skin, today's tip is going to surprise you because it starts with something as simple as rice. Yes, rice isn't just a staple in the kitchen, it's a centuries-old beauty secret in Korean skincare. Korean women have been using rice water for generations to achieve that bright, clear, and youthful glow. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamin B, vitamin E, and essential minerals that help brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and improve skin texture. Rice water works wonders as a natural toner. It tightens pores, soothes irritation, and deeply hydrates your skin without any harsh chemicals. It also promotes collagen production, which helps maintain elasticity and that smooth glass skin finish. You can easily make it at home and use it as a toner after cleansing or as a face mist throughout the day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare secrets and beauty tips.